How does the internet work? Have you ever wondered how AI actually works? It maps billions of data points to generate human-like responses in seconds. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT actually works? Are there thousands of people behind it? Does it search the internet? Or is there a digital brain? Let's understand it simply. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. It's trained to understand language and respond like humans. It learned from books, articles, and millions of texts. It has learned how words are connected.
Millions of digital documents are synthesized, mapping the complex neural pathways of human thought.
How does ChatGPT work? Suppose you asked about the capital of India. First, your question is broken down into parts called tokens. Then, these tokens enter ChatGPT's vast neural network. How does ChatGPT remember conversations? When you talk to ChatGPT continuously, it generates the next answer by keeping the context of the same conversation in every old context of the current conversation. Today, ChatGPT is being used in many fields. Students for studying and making notes, programmers for writing and debugging code, content creators for generating scripts, and millions of people use it to get answers.
This facility processes trillions of operations every second. We are witnessing the backbone of global intelligence. This is where the future of autonomy truly begins.